That tripped me out.
Surreal.
That was very surreal.
Yeah, expressionist.
It was
Abstract.
I was so
Chandon
abstract.
I think I've been
11
to
a.m.
Paris. Right.
Just say
So
you're
kind
having
of-
Rich Little at the Tropicana.
So I'm at New Year's Eve this year, 9 days in Vegas. So it's like the last night, I think. They've switched. By the way, I was staying where Marilyn Monroe stayed in the bungalows. I stay there all the time. But anyway, so they switched suites on me, and I'm in the elevator of the regular building, and I'm going up, and how do I see? A very young-looking Rich Litter, who I thought was dead, probably.
Hey, which excuse me, I believe that
Rich
he did a great
Little.
Nixon.
Sure. By the way, did I tell you I keep getting calls to play Nixon? I keep getting calls to play Nixon. Bizarre, but cool. Anyway, maybe it's the forehead, it's the lucky hairline. So I tell him, and I'm nervous. I'm like, fuck, it's Rich. And he doesn't look like he wants to be bothered. It's late night, and it's just me and him in the elevator. And I said, oh, I love your work, buddy. You look great. I said, you look great. You look fucking 50 years old, and he's 90.
Amen to that.
At the City Hall, he invited him to the wedding ceremony.
Let's understand.